right now.
What are you using these for? These jars?
Yeah, these characters. You want these instead? Kind of just a little.
I don't like those as much. Put them down by the.
It's kind of a little tint of.
I kind of like these because it has the blue.
No sleep when you're running behind.
Forgot to get a stinking white pot for this thing.
This is huge.
We can go back.
I love it.
It's like the only one that's not gonna match now. But yeah, we're about to tackle this bed. Let's do it.
My hair blows up when I'm alone. Inside out, I might explode. I shut my eyes and my mouth and my legs just gave out. Why in the world would you hit me when I'm down? 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 When I'm down?
Just to put it on upside down.
Show Marie and Dennis their finished home. How does it feel to know that
This doesn't make
everything
sense
is
though.
done?
I can't believe it. I cannot wait to get in there.
Because
A lot of work to get done in such a short time frame, but
how are
it
they
looks
gonna attach
beautiful
them two
inside.
different sides?
Can't wait till we get inside.
I get lost in and out when you walk in and out. Turn my hair in and out. I get stomped in the ground. I'm down, but I'm down. I get lost in and out when you walk in and out. Turn my hair in and out. I get stomped in the ground. I'm down, but I'm down. When I'm down, but I'm down. My hair